Welcome to the Health and Safety Briefing for the Cambridge 2025 event. Please pay close attention over the next few minutes. Powwow is committed to the health, safety, and welfare of all employees, contractors, and visitors involved in the operation of the event site at Cambridge University Rugby Union Ground. To ensure all employees, contractors and visitors have the information to cooperate with the event management in maintaining a safe working environment and to fulfill the legal requirements of health and safety legislation, everyone is required to complete this health and safety induction before arriving to site at the Cambridge University Rugby Union Ground. We plan, manage, conduct and supervise all our work in compliance with UK legislation and best practice. We want to ensure that all staff, contractors and guests have a clear understanding of their responsibilities along with that of the company. Upon completion of this induction, you will be supplied with accreditation. Please always wear your wristband. If your wristband is damaged or lost, please seek a new one as soon as possible. If you are not wearing the correct wristband, then you will be requested to leave the work area by the Powwow security team. All staff, crew and delegates will have lanyards. During live days, please be aware that security checks will be carried out during live phase. Everyone must consider the safety of themselves and those around them at all times. Be aware of moving vehicles and plant in loading or unloading areas. During construction phases, appropriate safety footwear, hard hats, and high-visibility clothing must be worn at all times. Plant operators must hold a valid training certification, which will be required to be checked and approved by the health and safety advisor, or the site manager, who are responsible for the management of all plant on site. Scaffold tower working platforms are to be signed for prior to use. Please adhere to all instructional messaging from the Powwow production team along with signage within the venue. Highlight areas of concern where safety is being compromised. All staff and contractors will ensure that they provide and wear the appropriate PPE during all construction and dismantle phases of the project. As a minimum, you should have protective footwear, high-visibility clothing, and a hard hat available for your use on site. All staff and contractors affected by works at height or working in areas with bump issues will be required to wear a hard hat. Should you require additional PPE, please refer to your company's own risk assessment and method statements. The following items are not permitted within any work areas during construction and dismantle phases: stereo systems, personal music devices. Use of mobile phones should be restricted within the working area. Please ensure you are in a quiet and safe area before using your mobile phone. Do not use your mobile phone whilst undertaking works at height. Make sure you are aware of your surroundings whilst working within any unloading and loading areas. No smoking permitted inside the venue. Smoking and use of e-cigarettes is only permitted in the following area: northwest corner, near to the site office. Staff and contractors are not permitted to consume alcohol or prohibited drugs during the construction, live event, and dismantle phases. Any person who is believed to be intoxicated or under the influence of any non-prescribed drugs will be required to leave the site. All accidents, incidents and near misses must be reported without delay to the Powwow site management team, or the on-site safety advisor, who will review the situation and implement change where necessary. All changes will be communicated to all relevant parties. Primary first aid resource is the Powwow and Galloglass safety advisor first aid trained staff on site. The first aid kit will be kept in the site office. All individual contractors are responsible for reporting their incidents that are reportable under RIDA to the enforcing authority. If you discover a fire, please inform the site manager, on-site safety advisor, or the on-duty security person. Do not attempt to fight the fire unless it impedes your escape. Start making your way to the primary assembly point, which is located at the entrance of Grange Road. During the installation and dismantle phases, all personnel present on site, including any visitors, must evacuate to the designated assembly point in the event of an emergency. The assembly point location will be clearly identified and signposted on site at the entrance of Grange Road, shown here. A roll call at the assembly point will be used to ensure that all persons on site have been accounted for. Remember that everyone is responsible for the safety of themselves and those around them. Should any contractor compromise the safety of themselves or your team, please inform the on-site safety advisor, who will review working practices. Should you have any questions regarding this induction, please direct them to the Powwow management team. Thank you for listening, and we hope you have an enjoyable event.